Welcome to the Tradewinds Classic Parasol. These commercial grade wooden parasols are in a class of their own, designed to the highest quality standards and made with the finest materials. Let's start with removing your parasol from its packaging. Place the box on an elevated, level platform. As you remove the parasol from the box, be sure to keep the parasol horizontal to avoid any pressure on the mast or the struts. Now you'll need to install your parasol into the base. It is essential that your parasol is anchored with an appropriate base, matched to the size of the canopy and the diameter of the pole. Should you use a base from a third-party supplier, please make sure it is suitable for use with your Tradewinds parasol. The table on the screen shows the minimum weights. If the parasol are used in a windy, gusty location, the weights should be reviewed and increased. If in doubt, please contact your supplier. We recommend that you use one of the following: concrete base, granite base, or a permanent underground fixing system, such as the stainless steel underground base. For this video, we have used a concrete base. The metal base plate needs to be attached to the concrete using the bolts and washers supplied. Make sure that the threaded holes on the base do not contain dust or other obstructions that will prevent the bolts threading correctly. Once the base plate has been secured to the concrete, tighten using the correct size spanner, ideally a 17mm spanner. Place the bottom of the closed parasol pole into the metal base plate and tighten up using the star knob. To remove the cover bag from the parasol, you may require a stick. This depends on what size parasol you have purchased. Open the zip and place the stick up into the top of the bag. Lift the bag up and pull the cover bag over the other side of the parasol. Please ensure not to get the stick caught in the air vent, as this could damage the parasol. Undo the tie that holds the canopy and carefully release the ribs of the parasol so that each of the struts move freely. Please ensure that the canvas is not caught in the struts, as this will stop the parasol from opening and may result in wear holes. Gently pull on the pulley cord to slowly raise the hub upwards. Continue this until the fabric is taut and at least one hole on the main strut is visible below the hub. Insert the pin through the holes so that the sides of the hub will rest equally on either end of the pin. Wrap your pulley cord round into a loop and secure this to the parasol using the clasp to hold it in place. When open, ensure the parasol is fully open and the canvas is taut. The canvas is an integral part of the structure, and if it is loose and saggy, lateral movement of the struts will occur and may cause damage to the struts and joints. Canopies and all frame parts can be changed. Spares are readily available through your supplier. Tradewinds wooden parasol frames are manufactured from eucalyptus wood, which is particularly suitable for parasols due to its strength and straightness of grain. Poles and hubs are crafted from laminated planks to give additional strength and durability. To close your parasol, release the cord from the clasp. Then pull on the cord to raise the hub slightly to take the pressure off the holding pin. Remove the pin from the pole and gently lower the hub, ensuring that there are no obstructions. Allow the parasol to close slowly. If the parasol stops, look up inside the parasol to see if there are any knots in the pulley rope or around the outside of the parasol for any obstructions getting in the way of the struts. Please note that when it comes to closing a parasol, it is not just as simple as pulling the tie around the parasol and fastening the knot. Not only will this look untidy, but the canopy may also get caught in the struts, causing pinch marks and wear holes. Once the parasol is closed, ensure that the canopy fabric is not caught between the struts. And then neatly fold and wrap the canvas round the parasol and secure using the tie. When storing your parasol, please ensure that the canvas is totally dry before putting on the cover bag. If you store your parasol with the canvas wet or damp for a length of time, mould and mildew will form. This is impossible to remove completely from the canvas as it ingrains itself into the fabric. To put the cover bag on the parasol, open the zip and place the stick up into the top of the bag. Lift the bag and position it over the top of the parasol. Remove the stick and pull the bag down to completely cover the canvas, then pull the zip all the way down, ensuring that the canvas does not get caught.